Today, we will talk about how to survive an apocalypse. Let's have a look at the details. What will happen if society collapses? What would you do if there was no one to help you or your family? Disaster preparedness is more than worrying, it's also about being practical, preparing for realistic scenarios, and being ready for the unpredictable. An apocalypse is unlikely, but you'll need to know what to do in case it happens. The first method is preparing in advance. Gather sufficient supplies to survive for 90 days. Surviving after a major apocalyptic event is not going to be short-term, since the entire country or the world is likely to be falling apart. There are no two ways around that reality. When preparing the supplies, think in two categories: basic survival and getting by. Obtain and stockpile basic survival. The most important items. Consider storing jugs of water, canned goods, vacuum-sealed goods, blankets and pillows, medications, a weapon that you actually know how to use properly, a knife, a warm, long-sleeved clothing, and carrying bag for moving and/or fleeing. Store supplies for just getting by. Think about having items at your disposal: batteries, flashlights, matches, pots and pans, plastic utensils, rope or twine, a map, permanent markers, a change of clothes, a can opener, lighters, a camp stove and propane, a hatchet or axe, first aid book, sunglasses, duct tape, glow sticks, boots, extra pants, smartphone, water filters, earplugs, other comfort items. Prepare an emergency kit. Whether you're trying to survive the aftermath of a major earthquake, impact event, or global pandemic, you'll need to think about your health. Keep yourself healthy against everything. You'll be dealing with everything from cuts to dysentery. If you or a family member has a specific ailment, stockpile medications for that too. To keep hygiene from being an issue on top of everything else, pack toilet paper, menstrual products, toothbrush and toothpaste, plastic garbage bags and ties, shovel or trowel, bleached soap and shampoo. Set up a communication system. Communicate secret locations with your family members and friends using a radio. Use diesel-powered vehicles. Make sure you have a bicycle lying around somewhere that's fully functioning. There will be a point when you need to cover large distances in a short amount of time. Become a good shot. Depending on the circumstances surrounding the apocalypse, knowing how to handle a gun can mean the difference between life and death, particularly if you'll need to hunt or defend your home against violence. Learn how to hunt. Master the art of the snare trap. If you're really scrappy with it, you need nothing but what nature provides you. Find a way to generate your own electricity. And the second method is escaping immediately without advanced warning. Grab a long-sleeved shirt and some pants. Pretty much any cause for an apocalypse requires long, comfortable clothing. If you have time, grab a pair of boots. If you don't have boots nearby, go for tennis shoes. Come up with an escape plan. If for some odd reason, your house isn't safe to stay in, you'll need to get out as soon as possible. With your map in hand, get out and get out now. Again, if you can stay in your house, do so. Seek shelter. Basements are a good place to start. Find a food source. A grocery store or even recently deserted houses are your best bet. Grab a few bags and start scrumping. Get loads and loads and loads of water, or else you'll be drinking your pee in no time. Find other survivors. You've got your food, you've got your weapons, and you've staked out a place to stay. Now it's time to assemble a team a la The Walking Dead. Stay positive. Assess your moralities as you see fit, but understand that the world is a much different place now, and you must adapt to it to stay alive and fruitful. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.